Good morning, class 11. This is Sanjay Kumar Tiwari welcoming you to e-learning platform of R School. Students, we are just uploading videos for enhancing your knowledge and making you better for coming future. As you know that in previous videos, I have uploaded different types of letters, their format and some sample questions supported with some questions to be answered are written. The students have decided today to just teach you how to write letters to the editor. The students, letters to the editor is an important letter which is generally asked in the examination. Readers may write letters to the editor of a newspaper to express their views or opinion on a particular current problem facing the society at large, or they may react to a certain news or compliment a news item in a just place meant for them. These letters are formal in nature and are written in impersonal tone. A reader must avoid intimate tone or style, greetings or contracted forms of words. The guidelines which are important for writing letters to the editor are now being described. First one is that request for publishing your letters. Second one, state the problems clearly on which you want to write. Third stands here, explain the issue with concrete details, examples, etc. Last one is that don't request the editor to help you in a particular matter, as it is not his job to do so. He can only help you air your views or grievances through the newspaper. So these are some important guidelines which are needed everywhere. So keep all these guidelines in your mind while you are framing or writing letters to the editor. Now I am going to just give you a sample letter which is written to the editor of a prominent newspaper, highlighting the problem and making some concrete suggestions in about 120 to 150 words. You are Mohit or Simi living at 10C Kabir Park, Ludhiana. You feel concerned about TB addiction among children. So this letter has to be written to the editor. You are Mohit or Simi. So first thing that I have stated earlier is that you have to write the sender's address. Maximum in 2 lines. This part should not contain, this part should not bear names, father's name and others. Only brief address of sender has to be written. It is followed by the date, the format. I have been making you clear that only 2 formats for dates are permitted, so don't follow any other. Third one is place for addressee. As you know that this letter has to be written to the editor, The Times of India, New Delhi. Thereafter subject, TB addiction among children, and next comes salutation, respected sir or sir is there, and thereafter your main body comes. Main body, I have been making you aware that it has to be divided into 3 phases. First one is general introduction of your letter. Second one is the reason for writing the letter, where you have to explain the reason why are you just going to write the letter, and third one is your appeal or suggestion if anything is needed. So you may write all these items, all these phases in 1 paragraph, or the main body may be divided into 3 paragraphs, and these 3 paragraphs will contain each and every details as I have stated. Thereafter you have to write yours faithfully, and your signature should be here at the last. Signature must be done in just formal way. it should not be written in capital letter. Strictly prohibited. Don't write your signature, don't put your signature in capital letter. First letter may be capital, no problem at all. Students, I hope that this letter will make you just aware how to write, how to frame letters to the editor. So go through it. Students, now I am going to give you few questions which you have to do in your school copy. The first one is that you are Mohan or Seema living at 10 Model Town, Patiala. You feel that the call for Make in India is not in the larger interest of the country. Write a letter to the editor of a newspaper about it. You may make use of the following points. So these points may be helpful. Now the second question is that you are Prem or Ragini of 15C Sector 4 Karnal. Incidents of crime against women in big cities have increased. The attitude of the authorities is very deplorable or critical. Write a letter to the editor of a national daily expressing your views on the matter. The points given in the bracket are just some important points which may be put while you are writing the letter, so take help from them. Now the third question is that write a letter to the editor of a newspaper conveying your feelings about the problem of corruption in the country. You are Madan or Rupa of 48 Civil Road, Ludhiana. Here also some important useful points are given. Get help from them. Now question number 4 is reading about the destruction caused by the floods in Kashmir. You feel concerned about the people of Kashmir. Write a letter to the editor of a newspaper appealing to the general public for making generous contributions to the Prime Minister's Relief Fund. Some useful points are also there. So students, I hope you have gone through the examples that I have given. You have gone through the sample paper I have given. Sample question you can say. Some guidelines I have also stated. I have also just focused on the format of the letter to the editor. So I hope you will do all these 4 questions in your school copy and you will put it before me when the school reopens. So do your homework only in the copy that you buy from your school. It means I am making it again and again. If you do your homework in any other copy bought from somewhere else, that will not be evaluated or checked. So do your homework in the copy that you have to buy from the school. Buy the copies from the school if you have not bought, and then start doing all those questions. They will be evaluated and awarded at the end of the session. Thank you.